Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Mayuni binti Kamaruzzaman. My metric number is 13 DKA 20F 2010. Today, I will present about case study water supply and wastewater engineering. First, we must know about introduction. The introduction of distribution system is the basic function of a water distribution system is to transport the water from the treatment facility to the customer. In addition, distribution system may also provide storage as well as provide flow and pressure adequate for fire protection. The second is the sewerage system. The sewerage system is designed to collect wastewater or for sewage generated from residential, industrial, and commercial areas through sewer pipes and discharge it to treatment plants or facilities to ensure the sewage is released to the natural water bodies in an appropriate condition and quality. The third is wastewater treatment. Wastewater treatment is a process used to remove contaminants from wastewater and convert it into an effluent that can be returned to the water cycle. Once returned to the water cycle, the effluent creates an acceptable impact on the environment or is reused for various purposes. The treatment process takes place in a wastewater treatment plant. There are several kinds of wastewater which are treated at the appropriate type of wastewater treatment plant. Next, the information for the case study. Based on the study we have done, we have found a suitable place for this case study at Taman Jaya Sura Permai, enclosed with Sungai Sura area located in 23000 Kuala Dungun, Terengganu. The type of development in this area and commercial with a population of less than 2062 PE, which is have many religions such as Malay and Chinese in each sub-area of the drainage system. From this sub-area, the study was carried out on several halls. The selection of pits is based on the sequence of pits up to the last pit that is connected to the sewage pen in row. This site was selected based on the population, type of land, and socio-economic potential. Discard a sample for residential areas in particular in Terengganu and generally in Malaysia. This part has 7 rows of terrace houses where each line is there are 28 units in which the number of occupants per unit is about 5 people.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Azira Ruwaida binti Rasli. My metric number is 13 DKA 20F 2004. Okay, next we talk about distribution component sewerage system. We choose a grid iron system. First, water from the main enters the branches at all junction in either direction into sub-main of equal diameter. Okay, second, pressure at any point is balanced because of the interconnected network of pipes. Next, the pipe component that we choose have advantage, such as in case of repair, very small portion of distribution is area affected. Second, every point receives supply from 2 directions and with higher pressure. Third, additional water from the other branches are available for the fighting. And the last but not least, free circulation of water, not liable for pollution due to stagnation. Okay, the disadvantage that we have more length of pipes and number of valves needed, increase of construction cost. The second one is calculation of pipe size and working out pressure at various points in distribution system is laborious, complicated and difficult.
Okay, this is a sketching of distribution. Location is Taman Surya Jaya Permai. The water pump beside the resident area, which is the sewage tank, are quite far from the water pond there. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Saidatul Akmal binti Mustafa, metric number 13DKA 20F2048. Component of survey system is Safari system. Based on our research at Taman Jaya Surya Permai, is a Safari system. The domestic survey and industrial waste at a carry is on the survey. Whereas the storm and surface water carry in another set on the survey. In a Safari system, the house will channel the survey water. The septic tank that is in the growth because the resident area is built with individual septic tank.
Okay, next we talk about sewerage system in study location that our group chose at Taman Jaya Surya Permai. There are two types of sewer used, which are separate system, and the second is separate system that are combined with the sewer system. Second, a separate sewer system is designed to drain sewage system using pipes separately from rainwater. The third one, the sewerage system will collect and drain sewage waste, while the drainage system will drain rainwater. The separate system is effective in reducing the load on the sewage system, only requiring a small pipe size, and the water from the water drainage system will not be contaminated with sewage waste.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Zarif Iqbal bin Norzelan, and mention number is 13DKA20FN2060. So now, I will tell you how to estimate the required sewer diameter using many formula. Okay, as you can see here, this is the calculation that we had done to get the answer. So how do we get it? Okay, let me tell you. Firstly, we need to track all the data given in the question. As you can see here, this is the data that we got. Next, we need to find the total population from this area. We need to multiply the row, units, and people. So the row from this area is 7, the house units is 28, and the estimate people are 5. So the answer are 980 people. Since the number population is 980 people, it means it is less than 10,000 people. So the flow rate factor is 5. We have found the flow rate factor, then we can find the total flow rate. First, we need to multiply the estimate people, the total population, and the total liter water per person and day. So the answer is 5 multiplied with 980 and multiply again with 250. So the total is 1,224,000. So the total flow rate is multiplied with 1 over 1,000 meter cube and divided with 86,400 seconds. Then the total flow rate is 0.014. By using many formula, we can get the total diameter sewer required. The formula is 1 per 0.014 multiplied with d power 2 over 3 multiplied with 0.25 power 2 over 3 and square root 1 over 40 equal to 0.014 over pi d power 2 over 4. So d power 2 over 3 multiplied with d power 2 equal to 0.014 multiplied with 0.014 and multiply with 4 divided by 0.25 power 2 over 3 multiplied with square root 1 over 40 and pi. So the answer that we will get is 3.977 multiplied with 10 power negative 3. Then the d is 3.977 multiplied with 10 power negative 3. Power again with 3 over 8. And we will get 0.126 meter for the diameter. So we have found the diameter, then we need to find the velocity. The formula is V equal to Q over A. 0.014 divided by pi 0.126 power 2 divided by 4. So the velocity that we get is 1.123 meter per second. Finally, the diameter is 0.126 meter and the velocity is 1.123 meter per second. It is more than 0.45 meter per second, so the velocity is appropriate. Thank you. This study shows that with proper mitigation measures, this project will not have a significant long-term impact on the environment. To ensure the effectiveness of the formulated measures, a monitoring program will be useful in determining the impact on the environment and the necessary remedial actions. Some of the negative effects on socioeconomics are in the form of disturbance to the nearby residents. Studies have shown that with the mitigation measures taken, the proposed project will not have any significant long-term effects on the environment and the surrounding population. In conclusion, the potential environmental impact that will be created by various project activities during the pre-construction phase, construction, and operation of the proposed sewage treatment plant can be effectively controlled the implemented control measures. Approval of the proposed STP will promote positive effects on sewage management and sewerage management, and also increase the socio-economics and development potential around the proposed project area. This research paper explains the result of the analysis carried out to identify the risks and locations that will occur on the assets of the sewerage system. The results of the analysis are shown in the form of the total assets involved, as well as map of the study area, which shows the assets that are in different risk categories. Thank you.